wake up, parrot. It's time for school. Oh, yay! Make sure you wake up your other friends too. Okay. Hey, Piggy, wake up. Hey, Penguin, wake up. Time for school. Yay! Okay, guys, you gotta go put on your clothes first. Go get your clothes on. Okay. Parrot, go put on some shoes and make sure you give your friends their shoes too. Okay. Here you go. Your shoes are here. And here, Penguin, your shoes. Put them on. Make sure you wash your faces. Let's go wash your face. And don't forget your backpacks. You're right, our backpacks. This pink one is mine. This blue one is mine. And the green one is mine. Oh, I want to go play with my dinosaur. No, guys, there's no time this morning. You can't play with your toys. Aww. Yeah, we have to leave the house now and go to school. Meet some new friends. Okay, let's go to school now. Here we are in laboratory school. You should meet a new friend. Here she is inside this box. Let's open her up. Wow, it's a gift box. Wonder who's inside. Wow, it's a girl. Ooh, it's a girl with black hair, green eyes, and she's wearing a skirt. She can move her head and waist around, and she has black shoes too. Let's look at what else is in this instructions. Wow, so you can collect all of the girls from different countries. Let's see what country this girl is from. So if we look inside the box, it says she's from Cairo, Egypt. Wait, I can open it up actually. She's from Cairo, Egypt. That's the Egyptian flag. Nadia Nile, that's her name. And here's some pictures of where she's from. This is a boat that she probably lives with. This is her pet camel. It's covered in colors. And this is her favorite place to visit every day, the beach. Wow, Nadia, you sure have a beautiful country you lived in. Yeah, I do. Now you're the new exchange student. You have to go meet your other friends. Okay. Hi, friends. Hi, what's your name? I'm Parrot. My name is Nadia. Wow, where are you from? I'm from Egypt. Wow, Egypt's so far away. Do you want to see my pet camel? Yeah, I do. Here's my pet camel. Wow, he's so cute and colorful. Wow, I really like it. You have a beautiful country. Yeah, you have a really beautiful country. Thanks, guys. You guys are such good friends. No problem. Let's get on studying. So here are the books. Just grab a book. And you gotta read it by the end of the day. Okay, sounds great. Well, I hope you guys will have a good time having fun with each other. I'll see you next time. Have a good day, school. Bye. Bye.